Hi, welcome to MECHOLOGY. In this video, we are going to create exercise number 39. And first of all, we will create this whole shape by extruded boss. And after we will apply the extruded cut to get this cut out. So let's create on SolidWorks. Select new, select part and apply OK. Now select the front plane and go to sketch. Select circle and draw one circle here. Diameter of this circle is 50. And distance of this circle from here is 55. Select this center and select this origin and make vertical. Select the line command and row lines like that. And this distance is 15 mm. Now select the line and draw one line like that. Select smart dimension and this is 38 and this one is 35. Apply OK. Now go to features and select extruded boss. Now select this contour. Here select bed plane and it is 90. Now again select extruded boss and here select the same sketch. Select this one and it is 70. Now again select extruded boss. Select the same sketch and select this contour and it is 50. Now select the top plane and go to sketch. Here select this face and select convert entities. Now go to features and select extruded cut. Here select offset first and it is 20. And here select blind, reverse it and here select up to next. Apply OK. Now select this one and go to sketch. Select center point rectangle and draw a rectangle like that. Select the center of this rectangle and select this origin and make vertical. Select this line and select this edge. It is 9 mm and this one is 18 mm and this one is 45. Apply OK. Go to features and select extruded cut. Here select up to next. Apply OK. Now go to appearance. Select body and select this one and apply OK. Now our exercise has been completed. Please share, subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.